How do you present evidence in a personal injury court trial? Have you ever wondered how evidence is presented in a personal injury court trial? It's a fascinating process that plays a key role in determining the outcome of a case. Let's break it down step by step. First, gathering and organizing evidence is essential. This includes medical records, eyewitness accounts, expert opinions, and any physical exhibits that support the claim. All this evidence needs to be collected before the trial begins to ensure a smooth presentation. When the trial starts, the plaintiff's attorney takes the lead. They call witnesses to testify. This can include the injured party, eyewitnesses, medical professionals, and accident reconstruction experts. Each witness shares their perspective to establish what happened during the accident and the impact it had on the injured person. Expert witnesses are particularly important. They help explain complex medical records and the severity of injuries in a way that the jury can easily understand. Often, they use visual aids like medical illustrations or timelines to show how the injury has affected the plaintiff's life. Visual evidence is also crucial. Photographs or videos of the accident scene, injuries, and property damage can make a big difference. Diagrams or models can help clarify details that might be hard to grasp. It is important that these exhibits are disclosed before the trial to avoid surprises and ensure they are admissible in court. As the trial progresses, the defense will present their evidence and witnesses. They may introduce alternative explanations or challenge the plaintiff's claims. The plaintiff's attorney can then present rebuttal evidence, but this is usually limited to new points raised by the defense. Throughout the trial, clarity is key. Evidence should be presented logically, often in a way that shows the timeline of events, how the injury occurred, and the resulting damages, such as medical expenses and lost wages. Visual aids like charts or graphs can help the jury understand financial losses and recovery progress. Preparation is vital. The legal team should rehearse the presentation of evidence to anticipate questions and ensure confidence during the trial. At the end of the trial, both sides will summarize their evidence in closing arguments. The judge will then instruct the jury on legal standards, such as the burden of proof and how to assess negligence and damages. After deliberation, the jury will reach a verdict. Presenting evidence in a personal injury trial is a detailed process that requires careful planning and clear communication. By effectively showcasing medical, testimonial, and physical evidence, the plaintiff's case can be presented convincingly to the court.